What is foam rolling?
The foam rolling is a simple self-massage technique that uses a cylindrical foam roller to apply pressure to different muscles. It helps release tightness, improve flexibility, and support faster recovery after exercise. Foam rolling can be done at home and is suitable for beginners. It's an easy, affordable way to care for your muscles and overall physical well-being.
Why should you foam roll?
Foam rolling increases blood flow to your muscles, which can reduce soreness and speed up recovery. It helps break up knots, called trigger points, and improves range of motion. Regular foam rolling may reduce the risk of injury and enhance your performance in daily activities or workouts. It's also relaxing, making it a great addition to your self-care routine.
Choosing the right foam roller.
Pick a foam roller based on your needs. Softer rollers are best for beginners or sensitive muscles, while firmer ones give a deeper massage. Smooth rollers provide gentle pressure, and textured rollers can target knots more precisely. Start with a standard, medium-density roller if you're unsure. Make sure the roller is long enough to support your body and comfortable to use.
Basic foam rolling techniques.
Begin by placing the foam roller under the targeted muscle, like your calves or thighs. Slowly roll back and forth, using gentle pressure. Focus on sore spots for a few extra seconds, but avoid rolling on joints or bones. Breathe deeply, move slowly, and spend about 1 minute on each muscle group. Stop if you feel sharp pain, and adjust pressure as needed.
Top areas to target at home.
Common areas for foam rolling include your calves, hamstrings, quadriceps, glutes, and upper back. These muscle groups often get tight from sitting or exercising. Avoid your lower back and neck as they can be sensitive and prone to injury. Focus on large muscle groups and work gradually, adding new areas as you get comfortable with the technique.
Tips for safe and effective foam rolling.
Foam roll before or after your workouts or whenever you feel muscle soreness. Use slow and controlled movements, not fast or jerky ones. Drink water afterward to help your muscles recover. If you're new, start with light pressure and shorter sessions. Listen to your body and consult a health professional if you have any injuries or chronic pain conditions.
Making foam rolling part of your routine.
Incorporate foam rolling into your weekly fitness plan for best results. Even just 10 minutes a few times a week can help keep your muscles healthy and flexible. Foam rolling is a simple, effective way to enhance recovery and support your fitness goals, all from the comfort of your home.